Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the 15th exercise of chapter 3 book Gaddis starting out with Python. This program will ask the user to enter the time in seconds and will convert and display the time in equivalent number of days, hours, minutes and seconds. Let's write the program. Create a variable time and set this equal int input, enter the time in seconds. Now create a variable seconds and set this equal 0. Create a variable minutes, set this equal 0. Create a variable hours, set this equal 0. Days, also set this equal 0. Now if time less than 60, set seconds equal time, print given time is equal to comma seconds elif time greater than equal 60 and time less than 3600 minutes equal time double slash 60. Basically double slash is used for integral division. It returns integral value instead of floating point value. Set seconds equal time mod 60. Print given time is equal to comma minutes and comma seconds. Elif time greater than equal to 3600 and time less than 86,400. Set hours equal time double slash 3600 and sets minutes equal time mod 3600 time mod 3600 put it into brackets double slash 60 and set seconds equal time mod 3600 mod 60. Print given time is equal to hours, hours, minutes, and seconds. L if time greater than equal 86,400, set days equal time double slash 86,400, set hours equal time mod 86,400, mod double slash 3600, set minutes equal time mod 86,400, mod 3600, double slash 60, set seconds equal time mod 86,400, set 8 in brackets mod 3600, mod 60. Here put a brackets, print given time is equal to comma days hours minutes and seconds. Run the program. Enter the time in seconds. Let's enter 50. Given time is equal to 50 seconds. Run again. Enter the time in seconds. Enter 900s. Given time is equal to 15 minutes and 0 second. Enter 2267. Given time is equal to 39 minutes and 27 seconds. Enter the time in seconds. Enter 6534. Given time is equal to 1 hours 48 minutes 54 seconds. Run again. Now enter 90,000 and 568. Given time is equal to 1 day 1 hours 9 minutes and 28 seconds.